Good morning. Welcome to Industry Insights. I'm your host, Tim Smith. I hope everybody's doing well. I want to touch on a topic. So as many of you know, I do business coaching as well with people starting mainly in the asphalt industry. We did branch out into some other service-based industries as well. We do some stuff with roofing, solar, and basically any business that's a service-based industry in the service-based industry. So this past week, I had a whole segment that I was planning on doing, but I wanted to jump in with this because one of the calls I've been getting a lot of people I'm working with when I'm talking to them is lead generation. Everybody's struggling with lead generation, especially in the asphalt industry. People are saying they're down. I mean, it is down a little bit, but leads are still coming in. You just got to do certain things to get those leads in. One of the biggest things that I've seen with a lot of people I'm working with is their Google My Business. Make sure that's optimized. And I mean, just make sure all the information's accurate, have some real good high quality photos on there, and making sure you get positive customer reviews. That will definitely increase your local searches. Um, some other things to help with leads. I'm just going to go over a few things. Set up some type of referral program. One thing we do with residential in our asphalt business is anybody that gives us a referral and we get that job, what we do is we give them a $25 gift card to a local convenience store. It could be any convenience store you have. It's just nice to give back. It gives people, some extra money for gas, coffee in the morning, whatever they want to use it for. But it it shows you're thankful for it. I mean, for a $25 gift card and you're getting a driveway that's, eight, 900 bucks, it's well worth it. Another thing that you can do is content marketing. Start a blog or a YouTube channel that just offers valuable content related to your services. This helps establish authority in your industry and attracts potential leads organically because, as many of you know, YouTube is owned by Google. So if you do these YouTube channel or YouTube videos and you get them uploaded, get some views, it just shows a little bit more credibility. Um, you can do social media advertising, use targeted ad platforms like, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and use that to reach your ideal audience. You don't want to reach 18 to 21-year-olds. Those people are not getting work done. Their parents may be, but they're not. So, and that's geared a lot towards the asphalt industry when I say that, but that's in any industry. That demographic's not. So you want to target somebody between the ages of 25 and 75 in that range. And so with doing the targeted marketing, you can pick your ideal audience and make sure they're the ones catching, your ads. You can also do local SEO. Focus on SEO that's going to optimize your website with your location, specific keywords, creating a local landing page, and get listed in local directories. That's something that Ocean's Digital Agency can definitely help you with. Another thing you can do is email marketing. Build an email list, send it out regular newsletters and useful tips, special offers, any updates about services if you're adding a new service. It just helps keep your audience engaged, and they might not buy today, but they may in 2 months. So it's building that pipeline. Just keep building your email list and then sending that out. You could also do a partnership with other businesses. Get involved if you have a friend that does landscaping. Say, look, anybody that you help get us business with, I'll give you a gift card or something you can work out. Or any like pool cleaning companies, pest control. There's so many. Um, I know with us, we belong to a local referral group. If any of you guys watched my other podcast I hosted with Steve Trott, and yes, Steve, I did get your name right. So I'm getting better at that. The you can join those groups and uh, you get referrals from them. You give them referrals, and it works out really well. You can do customer testimonies and case studies and showcase them on your social media, showcase them on your website. Most website platforms you can uh, upload and put videos in your website. And so customers that you've done work for, just put those videos up there of how happy they were with your service, highlight their driveway or their roof, whatever service you provided for them. And then potential clients see that and they're thinking, okay, they did great for them. Maybe they'll work for us. Depending on what your industry is, you could do different workshops and webinars about the services. For the seal coating, it's a little hard to do a workshop on with potential clients. But another thing in those lines, you can attend local home building shows. Get involved with a realtor. We have a realtor that we work with, and he's helped us out a lot. And I'm hoping to return the favor to him one day. And so get involved with the realtor and any houses they're showing that need seal coating done or any lawn care, anything, help spruce it up for their showings. So you can also do pay-per-click advertising. With pay-per-click, I mean, of course, you're spending money, but you can do targeted Google ads, use specific keywords related to your services. This will drive immediate traffic and leads to your website with the pay-per-click. That's something else Oceans can actually help you with as well. You can do lead magnets, offer a free resource like an ebook, a homeowner's checklist, consultation in exchange for contact information. So you build this lead magnet and you post it on Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn. People sign up for your newsletter, you got their contact information, so you can start nurturing that lead. One of the biggest and easiest things to do is it's actually it is easy to get done. It's just hard to get customers to do it, is online reviews. So you want to engage with a satisfied customer to leave a positive review on platforms like Yelp, Google, and that's going to help attract new leads. But the key is make sure you respond to those reviews. I've done numerous YouTube videos on this topic of reputation management. People always say, oh, yeah, it's important to get Google reviews. But I don't think people realize how important it is to get these reviews. So when I look at buying something, I look to see it, look for reviews. One, I try to go with anybody that has a 5-star. I very rarely look at anybody below a 5-star rating. And with my companies, I'm very fortunate and blessed that we have a 5-star rating on all 3 of our companies, and it definitely benefits us. But you got to make sure you respond to them because that shows more relevance with Google. I did touch on networking events, but go to trade shows, industry conferences, and network with other people in your industry and bounce ideas off of them. And we have our business growth meeting. It's Business Growth Pros. We have that every other Thursday. It's more of a Q&A. And then we do also have a paid group. It's called Business Growth Elite. That's starting the first week in September. And there'll be more information about that as well. But it's a good place to network with other people because you're networking with people all over the country. And there's other ones out there as well. I'll throw a few plugs. You got Blacktop Banner. They have a great success program. Marvin Jones does an amazing job. And I have nothing but respect for Marvin. I learned a lot from him when I first started out. So check that out as well. You can do targeted direct mailers. I personally have never done them. I've heard people have good success with them. They have like the Valpak mailers. You can get involved with that, and then that goes out to every home in your neighborhood. Cold calling, which anybody that knows me knows that cold calling is what we do a lot of. We do targeted marketing as far as hit certain businesses and certain residential areas. Uh, we go after homes that are, five, $600,000 homes because that clientele, they're not as much concerned about price as they are quality. And we strive to do quality work, and we go after quality customers. I stay away from the ones that are going to shop around and want somebody to come and do it for $180 to do 1,000 foot square foot driveway. Another thing you can do is discounts. You can do free trials, discounts. It's a little hard to do a free trial, I guess, but you can do a discount and offer some type of service at a discounted rate versus, just going in and say, okay, here's my price. Well, here, we'll do your seal coating this month. Crack sealing's half off, or something along those lines. Get creative. Um, Another thing you do is influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers and local community leaders who can help promote your services with their followers, increase your reach and your credibility. We do that with some people in the industry. You can also do surveys, create an interactive quiz or survey related to services and other professional recommendations based on those results. And then you can engage with those potential leads and gather their contact information. Um, Retargeting ads. You can retarget people that have visited your website in the past that you really haven't converted yet. So just go back to them and re-engage, get involved with them. Today's meetings, not me, sorry. Today's podcast is going to be a little short. My throat's bothering me a little bit, and I got I think 3 episodes to record for the Steve and Tim show tomorrow, I believe. So, and then I have some YouTube videos that I'm working on today. And I mean, that's one thing that we've been doing is just stepping up our game with social media. We've been pushing a lot of content out, and it's been working. It's driving in leads. We did a thing over the weekend. It was a 48-hour sale, and it was on websites. We did websites for $500, and it's just a basic website, but it's packed with SEO, and that's what's important. You got to get those SEO keywords out there so you can get seen in your area. So that's one of the features we do. And if anybody out there needs a website and you're seeing this, I'll still do the $500 website for you. I'll have it back to you within a week. And it has a lot of call to actions, pop-ups. It has list your services, your logo, everything on there. It's customized for you. And they're very engaging. It's great when you get a client calling you and that you do SEO work for, and they ask you if you could dial the SEO back because they have too much work. So doing these things I suggest do work. They take time. It's either time or money. So either you do them yourself and hope you get it right, or you hire somebody like myself that has proven success with it and pay a little bit of money to get it done. But the return on investments is huge, and it's very effective. So that's my insight on getting more leads. If you guys have questions on getting more leads, reach out. I mean, just get me on social media. We'll jump on a call and figure out what we can do to help you get more leads. As many of you know, I love helping people. There does come a cost with that though. And so I dialed back a lot of my free services just because of the supply and demand. It's been very busy, especially helping people get leads. And the key is to be able to convert those leads as well. So I am going to do a plug on our software program. We have a great CRM that will take your leads, it'll nurture them, it captures them, nurtures them, and then helps convert them. Just the way the system works is amazing. It's an all-in-one system. If you would purchase those system separately from other companies, you'd be 15 to 1600 a month. Our best package that I recommend is our middle package. It's 297 a month, but you can do invoicing out of there, estimates. You can do some landing pages. You have your CRM callback text feature. So if somebody calls you and you can't answer it, it automatically texts them back for you. The really nice feature is all your conversations are in one place. So if you get a DM from somebody on Facebook, if you get a text message, an email, um, WhatsApp, it all pulls it in. Instagram, LinkedIn, it pulls it all into this one hub and puts it in with that customer, potential customer. And you don't have to look in your inbox or look in your junk mail. It's going to be in there. So all you do is click on that customer and go in and say, okay, communication or conversations. You click on that and it shows you every conversation you've had with them. You can also record phone calls with that. Of course, you got to let them know that the call is being recorded. And the nice thing with that is you can help train yourself or your sales team. You can play that back and listen, okay, why didn't that call go as well as what I hoped it did? So you can listen to that call back and see what you can improve on. But yeah, so that's some services we offer. I did want to put that out there. And yeah, so just give me a call. Let's see if we can help you out. We did cut back on our coaching clients. We're only doing 6 a month just because it's just it gets too intense. And I want to be able to provide enough value to each of my coaching clients. And right now I have 2 spots left for September. So we take on 6 a month. That's it. So I might be able to squeeze one here in August, but September definitely only 2. So yeah, give us a call. And thanks for tuning in. You guys are great. And I hope everybody has an extremely blessed day and get some leads. If you need help, you know where to find us. Thanks and have an amazing, blessed day.